Good afternoon, Mr. Chairman, members of the committee, and industry colleagues. My name is Cira Angeles, ex-spokesperson for the Livery Base Owners Association, an organization composed of 125 base owners with approximately 10,000 vehicles affiliated to their bases. I want to thank Chairman Ilanes Rodriguez and the members of the New York City Council Transportation Committee for allowing us to speak about the street-hail livery program today. I just wanted to clarify that the word gypsy, we feel that it's no longer used in our industry. As we call the private plates, basically private plates, it's understood that those are the ones who are illegally doing, they're called gypsies, but we just call them straight plates because they don't have taxi and limousine plates and therefore no insurance and no compliance. As many of you know, the green taxis, also known as the borough taxis, debuted a year ago. There are now more than 5,000 of them, picking up residents in parts of the city that were rarely served by the traditional yellow cabs. The street hail livery program allows for legal hail service to millions of residents in northern Manhattan, the Bronx, Queens, and Brooklyn, outside the downtown central business district. It was born out of hard-fought battle that brought together a coalition of support of thousands of livery base owners, drivers, elected officials throughout New York, specifically members of the City Council, the New York City Black, Latino, and Asian Caucus, the State Legislature, Puerto Rican, Hispanic, and Asian Caucus, State Assembly, Puerto Rican, Hispanic Task Force. They all recognized that New Yorkers across the city needed safe and reliable service, and the livery industry had already been providing that service for over 4 decades. New York Taxi and Limousine testimony of April 3rd, 2014, and a review of trip records showed that the green taxis are indeed filling a service gap, having provided over 5 million trips since the summer of 2013. Drivers are eagerly seizing the opportunity to legally serve street hail passengers in the outer boroughs in northern Manhattan, as evidenced with the first issuance of the 6,000 permits selling in just 6 months. There continues to be strong interest in the next round of issuance of out-of-borough licenses, with over 6,000 pre-qualified potential purchasers signing up already. It is a clear indication that the program provides a worthwhile small business opportunity. There is still need for additional borough taxis. After the issuance, market analysis shows that FHB industry remains strong and the yellow industry has not adversely been impacted, as some feared. Independent medallion sales prices have increased 47% between 2012 and 2013. A lot of people fear that those values were going to be decreased. The green taxis have been able to extend reach to public transportation system with minimal impact on traffic congestions. We will continue with our very productive working relationship with the TLC to continue to evaluate the program. Our bases and drivers have been serving passengers with disabilities for decades, helping them into the cars, loading the wheelchairs. We fully support providing mobility to all New Yorkers. However, we believe that it should be based on actual and quantifiable assessment of demand and need. One of many challenges our drivers are still facing from the first issuance is the delay from vehicle manufacturers to retrofit the vehicles and the potential lack of capacity and availability to have these vehicles ready to meet the demand. We further urge the TLC and the administration to help develop additional revenue opportunities, such as medical contracts, trips, that will provide incentives to purchase accessible licenses and continue to service the wheelchair-accessible community as we all want. Street Hail Livery Program brings safe, accessible, and legal taxi service to the outer boroughs. Thank you.